Finally, not related obviously to brainstem lesions, but it's worthy to note that there are several chemically significant populations of neurons that are found in various parts of the brainstem. We call these reticular nuclei in a way because the reticular formation kind of forms the core of the brainstem. Parts of it are involved in sleep-wake cycles and regulating cardiovascular function and gastrointestinal function and so on. But the point that we make on here is just to remember the neurochemicals that are produced by these various nuclei and where they are found. The nuclei of the raphe are situated very close to the midline. They are a discontinuous column of cells that extend throughout much of the brainstem. Those neurons basically produce, synthesize, and release serotonin that's widely distributed throughout the CNS. An adjacent nucleus that's mainly associated with the upper pons and extends into the midbrain is the locus ceruleus, the blue spot. And the locus ceruleus contains neurons that synthesize and release norepinephrine, and again, whose projections project virtually throughout the CNS. And we know that central nervous system norepinephrine is playing a role in sleep-wake cycles and maintenance of levels of arousal. Finally, the periaqueductal gray, which as the name implies surrounds the aqueduct in the midbrain, contains opioid receptors that are sensitive to collaterals or innervated by collaterals of the spinal thalamic tract, and their job is to provide an internal mechanism, an intrinsic mechanism, to help suppress a painful stimulus when they're activated by an incoming pain stimulus generated by the spinal thalamic tract.